Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and this is a quick look at a second way of actually checking out battery performance and laptop performance on computers, because laptop computers, of course, when you run on battery, it's different than when you run plugged in. So what happens with that is that when you are actually plugged in, usually the performance is much better. Of course, it also means that when you use the battery, often it degrades. And I'll show you an example here with the battery icon, which most of you will see like this. So when you click, you have, of course, the battery information. And here it says, right now I'm plugged in, and it's for best performance. And there's a slider there that you can actually move. Now I'll unplug from the electricity. And when I do that, you see here that now it's power mode on battery. And it says better battery. So right now, this, of course, the slider is better battery life, means I also am probably losing in the performance. And that means that if I'm losing in performance, my computer might be slower. Yes, I will have much better battery. But in some cases, maybe that's not what you want. So that's why you also have this slider here that will give you the possibility to move it from best battery life at the left, which means, yeah, less performance, but much more battery, or best performance, but at the cost of much less battery life. And that's pretty much what you're going to see here. So right now at this setting, it tells me I have 6 hours and 6 minutes. But if I change that setting, it's going to actually tell me a different time. It's going to change that, the amount of time that I have left on the battery. So that's how it works. And that slider is available when you click the battery icon in the taskbar. And of course, if you don't have the battery icon, you don't see it, check out my other video where I show you where to add a plan and how to change this plan of performance versus battery life in the control panel in Windows 10. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thanks for watching.